Have you ever been in a situation whereby your bank account was debited, but you didn't know the reason for the debit? In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to find out what you are being charged for or how to check Google subscriptions. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your Google Chrome browser and you open a new tab, then you navigate your mouse to your Google account. If you are looking to create a Google account, I'll leave a video at the end of this video. You can check that out as well. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any other tutorial. When you click on your Google account, you select Manage Google Account. This is how your Google account interface is looking. So you navigate your mouse to Payments and Subscriptions. Under Payment and Subscriptions, we have Manage Payment Methods. There is Payment Information, Account Storage, which is the amount of storage that you have for your Google services like Google Drive, Gmail, Photos, and others. And then there is Subscriptions. So you can see your subscriptions under this particular feature that says manage payment methods, or you can see your subscriptions under subscriptions. Now let's look at the first one, which is manage payment methods. This is where you add payment methods. So if you've added a particular payment method and you want to remove it, all you have to do is click on remove, and then you get to remove your payment method that you've added to your Google Payment Center. Okay, so you click on remove and save, and then it will be removed for you. When you click on subscriptions and services, this is where you get to see all your subscriptions. So if you subscribed to a particular service, you see them all here. So we have active subscriptions and then cancelled subscriptions. Cancelled this particular subscription, that is why it's under cancelled. But if you have active subscriptions, you're going to see all of them over here. It's going to be in a list form. Then you see it displayed under the active tab for you. But if you've cancelled all of them, you see here. If you have hidden subscriptions, when you navigate your mouse to subscriptions and services, you see them all here under active. Okay. So when you see here, you click on that particular subscription and then you go ahead to cancel it. So when you click on, it's going to be like this, and then you click on manage. Okay, so you click on manage subscription. When you click on manage subscription, you get the option to unsubscribe from that particular service. I have already cancelled this. That is why it's been displayed like that. So I would go back to the first page, and then aside the manage payment method, you can also view all your subscriptions under the subscriptions feature here. You get to see all your active subscriptions displayed over here for you. And when you want to cancel, you just click on it and then unsubscribe from that particular service. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. I would respond to them. And if you need further assistance, just leave a comment and I would respond to them. I hope this video was helpful.